Hey guys, I'm Mirsetach. Today in this clip I show you how to activate Windows 10 Enterprise. First I go to show you that's my Windows 10 is already activated. Okay, properties, and there you see Windows is activated already, and there settings, update and security activation, and there you have Windows activation. Windows is activated. Okay, that's it. We go to activation tutorial. First you need to click there to search Windows and type there cmd, and that is very important to right click on command prompt and go to run as administrator. And when you get this window, open the description, and there you have 3 codes. Copy first code, okay, and paste here. Then you paste it, click enter, and when you get this message, ignore it and click ok. Then copy the second one and paste here, click enter, and when you get this message, click ok and copy the latest one, paste here, click enter, and when you get this message, your Windows 10 is already activated. Click ok, close all, and you have activated Windows 10 Enterprise. Okay, that's it. Like my Facebook page, subscribe me on my YouTube channel. Goodbye.